Alright, let me change it up a little bit. Wait. Do you want cat, Kiara? Let me turn into a cat for you real quick. Good evening, good morning, everyone. I am Cat. Takanashi Kiara. Wait, who is that? Ah! Meow. 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 No food? Why not? Give me some wet food, please. Please, give me wet food. Give me some snacks, please. I want some snacks. No, give me the liquid thingy. I like that one. No, お菓子ください. Please give me the... I already ate too much of it. Huh? What? There's no too much. If you have a cat, then you listen to your cat. I don't want to be your cat anymore. I'm gonna move out. I'm gonna be an independent cat from now on. Independent cat. I don't need you. I don't need an owner anyway. What? You give me some snacks after all. Oh yeah, I forgive you. Then meow. I love you. Just because you give me food. Yep. That's what cats are all about. Just because you give me food, I suddenly love you. Meow.